In this video, I will show you how to use camera tracking in Blender. So what camera tracking essentially is that whenever you animate an object is moving, the camera will track to that object. So it will move with the object. So for example, this is the default interface of Blender when you first open it. So you have this default cube. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to animate this default cube. So to add a keyframe, move it up to 50 frames, then move it across the x-axis like that, and then I add a keyframe. Now, our object is moving. Now, as you can see, if I go into camera view, so numpad 0, to go to camera view, the camera isn't tracking with the object. So to enable the tracking, you have to add an object constraint. So select the camera, and then go over here, this icon over here, then add object constraint. I need to use the track to constraint. Now, once you have done that, you will see that you have an option called target. Select this pin, and then you have to select the object you want the camera to track to. So this one over here. Now, as you can see, you don't have to change any of the other settings. Now, if you go into camera view, now if you start the timeline, then you will see that the camera is tracking to the object. And that is literally how you would use how you would enable camera tracking in Blender. It's literally that simple. If you have a human walking, you would just have to get the pin icon and then select the human body, and that's it. It would literally track to that object. And that is literally how you would use camera tracking in Blender.